Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. And just yesterday I made a video about the boundary tool. When things are ungrouped, you can put a boundary around it. And I've set mine thick because I didn't know you could do that. So if we go right here and set this, well, with nothing selected, double click on this. I have mine, so it's under graphic. I looked to see if I could find one for the board, for the boundary tool, but it's under graphic. And then we'll make it hairline like it was and make it red, and then hit OK. And then when you make a boundary, it'll be a red hairline and actually makes a new object. Well, let's do that with a thicker. I couldn't figure out, well, I figured out how to make it thicker. All you had to do is take your boundary and then hit your pen tool and make it whatever thickness you wanted and make it thick. But you can do that without having to go through that step if you had to do this a lot. So with nothing selected, go to graphic, OK, and then let's set it at 8 points. Let's set it at black, and let's set it to be on the outside outline and hit OK. Now when we do our boundary, it's on the outside of that red line, which is very beneficial. That's what you would want, I would think. And then if you move that out of the way, you've got a 20 or an 8-point boundary. So if you had to do that a lot for different shapes, you could do it every time and have that boundary. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.